on my way to Houston for Thanksgiving break. I just got out of class. I had one class today. My 8 a.m. teacher just didn't want to cancel. All my other teachers did, but he wanted us to learn today, and I'm so grateful for that. But I'm on my way to Houston. It's like 3.5 hours away, so we'll get there like mid-afternoon. I'm excited to see my family, and y'all can meet my sister and see like the zoo that we have at home. Hello! Hello! I missed you! Hello! Oh, I missed you too! Hi, Tartar!
These are not flattering to the feet.
Oh, I missed you. No, but they are cute though. They look good with jeans and like
They
sweatpants.
look like I have clogs on.
Should we ask the vlog what they think?
Okay.
Andy got the UGG Tasman slippers.
They look like I have like clown shoes on.
No, I think they look good.
Look at the
We just
side.
have big feet.
No, I have 10.
Everyone, this is Ollie. He is my child, but he gets to stay in Houston because he hates Dallas. Everyone, this is Andy. Oh, I missed you so much. Yes, I did. Oh, I missed you. You're so handsome. Oh, so handsome.
Okay, I kind of really like them.
I missed you.
Yeah.
This is Jack. We found him at a Whataburger like, I don't even know, like 8 years ago. But he's missing a foot, so he's our special dog. But we love him very, very much. This is Charlotte. She is the princess of the house. And Ollie is clearly an attention whore. Alright, it's our parents' 25th wedding anniversary. Alright, now we're gonna wax my nose.
This could go really wrong.
Like this?
Yes, open it.
What do you need to open it?
No, pinch your nose. You have to pinch your nose. I said pinch it.
Okay, I'm pinching it. Oh!
Oh my god. Try to feel it. Oh my god.
Oh!
Oh!
We are about to make some pumpkin pie. We already got all of our spices in a bowl, and then we have everything set out. We're just waiting on the pie crust to get out of the oven.
That's the neck.
Ooh.
Solid.
I am in charge of setting the Thanksgiving table, which is pretty important. So we're gonna start off with the plates. There's only 4 of us, so it's not gonna be crazy. And we're using plastic just because it's gonna be easier to clean up everything since we're gonna have a ton of dishes from all the cooking. Yeah, I guess that's how you do it. Okay, we'll do it on the plate. And now for the silverware. I always remember fork has 4 letters, so it goes on the left. This left has 4 letters. And then a spoon and knife go on the right, because they have 5 letters. So do it like that. And these are plastic too, just because it's gonna make our lives a little easier. But they're like a fancy plastic. Okay, now we'll do the water cups. Goes right here. Okay, and then the flower arrangements I did earlier, I wanted to use. So I'm gonna put this one right in the middle. We'll probably have food everywhere, so I'm gonna try to leave space over these little ones. I'm gonna kind of place them like this. Okay, and then I have these candles. I don't know if this is gonna look good, but we're gonna see. I mean, just to add some height. Yeah, come look at this. Tell me what you think.
Do you think this one's fine? It's not really giving Thanksgiving, but I feel like it goes with it.
Does this look terrible?
No, it's pretty.
See, we also have these little like princess candles, but they have little tea lights in them, but they're kind of gold, but they might not. What do you think if I put those on there? That looks like too much.
It's giving Princess in the Frog.
Should we just leave it like that? I don't know, kind of giving funky Thanksgiving. Andy, what would you say is this decor style?
What?
What would you say this is, like, what style is this?
Swamp.
Swamp. We're having a Shrek Thanksgiving. We're starting the turkey. We have, do not make that noise. What is this, 2 pounds?
Yeah.
2 pounds of like, so we're doing a Cajun turkey, so we have a bunch of spices, but it's 2 pounds of softened butter. Andy's currently violating this bird. I'm about to start getting ready for Thanksgiving, even though we're just gonna sit on the couch and eat food, but I think we're gonna try to take our Christmas photos. So I'm using this Hot Tools curling iron. I think it's definitely more than 1 inch. It might be 2 inches, I'm not sure. But I wanted to do like bigger curls. So we're gonna curl my hair with this and then we'll do my makeup once I'm done. Alright, that is the look. Now I just need to shake these out so they don't look as put together. Okay, I need to tuck this in. I just have on a gray t-shirt from Target and then these jeans are from Gap. But I was gonna throw on this white blazer. It's the Wilfred blazer from Aritzia. It's my sister's, so I'm stealing it. But I don't know if this will be cute or not, so we're just gonna test it out. I don't know. I think the shoulder pads are doing it for me. I mean, it's not bad. It could be worse. I don't know if this outfit is giving Pledge or Matilda Jerf. Because there's no in between, really. We're gonna go with Matilda. That's what I'm gonna tell myself. I decided to just wear the gray t-shirt because the blazer was doing way too much for me. I think it was the shoulder pads. And this is very more me. So we're gonna go with this. Because once again, we are not leaving the house. Okay, we are making apple cider mimosa. So we have apple cider and champagne flutes. And we put like a sugar and cinnamon rim. But first we have to pop the champagne.
Don't pop it on me.
We could shake it, but
No.
we'll be mature. Woo! Mom, do you want one?
Yeah. I'd say like right there.
It's an apple cider mimosa, basically.
It needs more apple cider.
I think it's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's not too sweet.
No.
I could chug that entire thing.
Yeah. It's like apple juice.
This is like our favorite.
It's cheap as hell too.
Affordable. I don't know if this is champagne though. Like, is Brut the
It's
same?
Spanish champagne?
Is it Brut or Brut? Is that the same as champagne? I like Prosecco, but it all tastes good
I
to
offer
me.
you Prosecco.
Okay, well, it's good.
Never mind, just
Say bye, Ollie. Thank you for watching. Give him a kiss. Mwah.